Hello friends, today I am starting a new chapter, Circle. In this session, you will learn the basics of the circle along with the method to find the equation of circle if its center and the radius is given. You will also learn to find the equation of the circle if the end point of its diameter is given. Let us start the chapter. Let O be a given point, then locus of a variable point P, which is always at a fixed distance from O, say that is R, is called a circle with center O and the radius R. Now let P, whose coordinate is xy, is a general point on a circle with radius O, whose coordinate is hk and the radius is r. Therefore, distance between P to O will be r. Therefore, square of the distance from P, that is whose coordinate is xy, to the center O, whose coordinate hk, will be r square. Therefore, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r, implies that x square plus h square minus twice xh plus y square minus twice yk plus k square is equal to r square, implies that x square plus y square minus twice xh minus twice yk is equal to r square minus h square minus k square. It is the equation of a circle whose center is O, that is hk, and the radius is r. Now we take a general equation x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0. This equation can be written as x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy is equal to minus c. Now we are adding g square plus f square on the both sides of the equation. This can be written as x square plus twice gx plus g square, y square plus twice fy plus y square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. This equation can be written as x plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Now three possibilities are there. Suppose g square plus f square minus c is less than 0. But this x plus g square whole square will be greater than equal to 0. Y plus f plus g square is greater than equal to 0. Therefore, g square plus f square minus c cannot be negative. Therefore, if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, implies that equation is baseless. Similarly, if g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then it is possible only when x plus g square is 0 and y plus f square is 0. Therefore, this represents when x plus g square is 0, it means x equal to minus g. When y plus f is equal to 0, it means it is y is equal to minus f. Therefore, when g square plus f square equal to 0, implies that equation represent a point a point minus g comma minus f. And when g square plus f square minus c is greater than equal to 0, implies that equation represent a circle. Center will be minus g minus f and radius will be g square plus f square minus c. Now we take an example. Last equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. By in usual method, we will first x square minus 4x plus y square plus 6y is equal to 12. Therefore, this can be written as x square minus 4x plus 4. We are adding 4 on both sides. Similarly, this can be written as y square plus 6y plus 9. We are adding 9. We are adding 4 and 9 on both sides. Therefore, this can be written as x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 12, 4, 16, 9, 25. Therefore, since this is greater than 0, therefore this equation is represent a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius is under root 25, that is 5. In the shortcut method, we will compare this equation with the general equation x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 4 is equal to 2g. That is 2g is equal to minus 4 implies that g is equal to minus 2. Similarly, 6 is equal to twice f. That is twice f is equal to 6. Implies that f is equal to 3. And g square plus f square minus c is equal to g square, that is minus 2 square, that is 4. F square, that is 3 square, is equal to 9. Minus c, that is minus 12, that is equal to 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. It is greater than 0. Therefore, this represents a circle whose center is minus g minus f, that is 2 comma minus 3. And radius is under root g square plus f square minus c, that is under root 25, that is equal to 5. Therefore, this represents a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius is 5. Suppose we have to find the equation of circle if ends points of diameter a x1 y1 b x2 y2 is given. Let this AB is the diameter of the circle whose end point of the diameter is x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. Now we take a general point P whose coordinate is xy on the circumference of the circle. Since this pxy is now on the semicircle, therefore this angle APB will equal to 90 degree. Therefore, line PA is perpendicular to PB. Line PA is perpendicular to PB. Therefore, slope of PA into slope of PB PB is equal to -1. Implies that slope of PA is y minus y1 upon x minus x1. And slope of PB is y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to -1. Therefore, its equation can be written as x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1, y minus y2, y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this is a equation of a circle whose end point of the diameter is a, that is x1 y1, and second point is x2 y2. Now we take an example. Find the equation of circle if the end point of diameter are 3, 4, minus 1, 2. Let this AB is diameter whose end point is 3, 4 and second is -1, 2. Now we take a general point P on the circumference of the circle and join this PA and PB. Now since this P point is on the semicircle, therefore this angle will equal to 90 degree. Therefore PA is perpendicular to PB. Therefore slope of PA into slope of PB is equal to -1. And slope of PA is y minus 4 upon x minus 3 into slope of PB is y minus 2 upon x plus 1 is equal to -1. By cross multiplying, we get y minus 4 into y minus 2 is equal to minus x minus 3 x plus 1. This can be written as y minus 4 into y minus 2 plus x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. By multiplying with these two, we get y square minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6y, minus 4 into minus 2, that is plus 8, plus x square minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2x, minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y 8 minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. It is the equation of circle whose end point of the diameter is 3, 4, minus 1, 2. It is all for today. Now I request you to subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification regarding my upcoming videos. Thank you.